Hello, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale video walk around for 2012 Toyota RAV4 4-cylinder vehicle, two-wheel drive, plain and simple, nothing complicated. Sorry for the noise, we got cars unloading there. Okay, so let's go quick over the car. Okay, we'll start from here. Tires, by the way, Michelin tires, across the board. All 4 tires are Michelin. Front bumper has minor scratches, as you can see. Front hood, same, no damages, some rock chips. Guys, keep in mind it's over 100,000 miles, like 112 or 114,000 miles on it. The fender is nice, minor ding right there. Door is nice, this door is nice, and the quarter panel. Okay, so the tires right here, you can see they're beautiful. There's the Honda. Vehicle is nice. Take a look. Okay, have like surface rust. I see like over here. You see, but I don't see anything that is really wrong with it. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Door panel is good. Window works. You got WeatherTech mats. Interior is beautiful, guys. And you can see the Carfax is very clean. Dashboard, no cracks in dashboard. Ice cold air. 128,374 with miles. Extra keys. Take a look. Okay, mirrors, everything. Power windows. Non-smoker, guys. Non-smoker. Okay, this door panel looks good. Seats in the back look good. This seat is very nice and clean. You got a headliner, not saggy, not loose. Once again, non-smoker on this side also. Doesn't smell like anything. Here's your carpets. Okay, here's your seats. Let's look at this side. Okay, so you got huge cargo space. Look at that, very clean here. Headliner very clean. Let's go under. Okay, here's your bottoms. It's beautiful. It has like a little bit like right there, you can see, but that's nothing. Look at that frame. Frame is beautiful. Okay. Here's your all the jams. Take a look. Door jams. Close the stub. Quarter panel. Door. Fender. There's like a little scratch right here. No, it's not. Maybe it's coming out. No, it's not scratch. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go quick here on this side. It's beautiful. Door panel. Window. Now gonna go on this side. You got a window works. AC is cold. Radio works. I mean, guys, nice car. You know how these RAV4s, you can't touch them. You can't get them anywhere in a good condition. Take a look. Looks very clean. According to what I usually see, it definitely looks very clean. Okay, guys. Guys, friendly disclosure, this vehicle, by the way, sold as this. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Shipping, $1 to $1.50 a mile. We can ship you the car. All the documents could be done remotely. Let us know if you need more info. If you need any more pictures of this unit, please call us directly and we will get you more pictures in through your emails. All right? God bless. Thank you so much and bye-bye.